Hello students, welcome to my study channel. Today we will discuss the questions of exercise 2.3 of standard 7, that is the NCERT book. And before going to that, we will discuss about division of whole number, division of whole number by a fraction. So we will discuss today division of whole number by a fraction. You know what is whole number and you also know what is fraction. And we have to divide a whole number by a fraction. So the dividend is the whole number and the divisor is the fraction. And before going to that, let us see, when I write 6 divided by 2, what is the question here? 3. That means how many 2's are present in 6? Now the answer is 3. There are 3 2's present in 6. That means how many 2's are added to itself to give 6? Now the answer is very simple. That is 3. You see, how many 2's? There are 3 2's. So like this, if I write what does it mean? You see, 3 is a whole number. And the fraction you see, 1 upon 2. That is 1 divided by 2. That is a fraction. So we have to divide a whole number. You see, 3 is the dividend here. And 1 upon 2 or 1 divided by 2 is the divisor. And you see, what does it mean? Like this, how many 1 by 2 or how many 1 divided by 2 is present in 3? How many 1 by 2 are added to itself to give 3? So let us see the pictorial representation. 3, 1, this is another 1, and this is also. So this is 1, 1, 1, 3. So how many 1 by 2 is present? You see, this part just you divide each whole part into 2 equal parts. You see, how many 1 upon 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from the pictorial representation, we can know the value. But if you calculate mathematically, you see 3 divided by 1 upon 2, that is equal to 3 means 3 upon 1. So when you change the sign, then you bring the denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator. That is 6 upon 1, that is equal to 6. So how many 1 by 2 is present in 3? Now the number is 6, and you see from the pictures. So based on this, we will do the problems of this exercise 2.3. So let us move to the exercise questions. And before going to that, you see reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. Suppose 2 upon 3, that is a fraction. So what is the reciprocal? So of this fraction, now you just interchange the digits. That means you have to take the digit of the denominator, you have to place it in the place of numerator, and the digit in the numerator you have to place that in the denominator. So that will be 3 upon 2. So this is the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, so if it is 1 upon 2, so that is 2 upon 1, that is equal to 2. So this is the reciprocal. Because we know, you see, when the product of two numbers is 1, then they are called, then those two numbers are called reciprocal to each other. You see, 1 upon 2 into 2, that is equal to 1. So these are the two numbers. We multiply and the product is 1. So when the product of two numbers is 1, so the numbers which are to be multiplied, you see, they are both reciprocal to each other. That means 1 upon 2 is the reciprocal of 2, or 2 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2. And you multiply, always you will get the product as 1. So this is the reciprocal of a fraction. And you see, when there is a proper fraction, suppose I will write 2 upon 3, just to take the reciprocal, that is 3 upon 2. And you see, it was proper. Now it became improper fraction when we do the reciprocal. So like this, we will flush it and we will solve the exercise questions, that is of 2.3. So first question has been given, find the 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So you see, already we have discussed about this. So the dividend is 12 and divisor is 3 upon 4. So it is a whole number and it is a fraction. So we have to divide a whole number by the fraction. So how you do it? You see, it is very easy. 12 means 12 upon 1. And here is the division sign, just you change it into sign of multiplication. So what will happen here? The 3 upon 4, just you take the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that means 4 will be in the numerator and 3 will be in the denominator. So, you know, in the case of the multiplication, what you do? Numerator into numerator, that is 12 into 4, 4 divided by, or divided by 1 into 3, that is equal to, you see, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 are 12. So 4 into 4, that is 16 upon 1, that is right 16. So this is the value we got. So find the value, we got it 16. You may do like this, I don't want to take your time in this way. So I do the last one, 5 divided by 3 whole number and 4 upon 7. So what do we do here? Now you see, 5 means 5 upon 1, or 5 divided by 1. So we keep the division sign here. 3 sevens are 21. So 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. Then in the next step, what will you do? You change the sign into sign of multiplication. Then you take the reciprocal of 25 upon 7, that is 7 upon 25. That is equal to numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 are 25. So that is equal to 1 into 7, 7 upon 5. So this is the answer. Let us move to question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions and classify the reciprocal as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So okay. So it will be better if you make a table like this. Just a table like this, you do it. And there is the numbers. The reciprocals. And here you may write proper fraction, improper fraction, whole numbers like this. So you can write the proper fractions or improper fractions or whole numbers in this column. Okay. So you just do like this. How many for each fraction given here? For each number, you make one row. So let it be I. What it has been given? 3 upon 7. So you write here. Number is 3 upon 7. We have to find the reciprocals. You know, you interchange the digits and take the digit of the denominator into numerator and the digit of the numerator, you place it in the place of denominator. Okay, so that is 7 upon 3. So you see, reciprocal 7 upon 3. Is that a proper fraction? No, because you see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So you write improper fraction. Like this you do. Suppose 9 upon 7. So the reciprocal will be 7 upon 9 and you see this is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. Then come to 1 upon 8. It is 8 upon 1. That means that is 8. So that is a whole number. One upon 11. That is 11 upon 1. Or you may write here 8. So this is a whole number or not? Yes. 11 is a whole number. So like this, you do this format and draw a table like this. You place the numbers, column, reciprocals column, and you in one column you do the heading, proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole numbers. Just like this, you proceed. This is suppose 9 upon 7 where it is 3. Suppose this is 2. Or like this. You just do the numbering. So question number 2 is completed. We will move to question number 3. So fundamentally be clear. In mathematics, you have to be fundamentally clear. Otherwise, you will face difficulties in future. So find. We have to find the value. You will see what we are doing previously. Dividend was the whole number and the divisor was a fraction. Now the fraction, you see, that is the dividend and the divisor is a whole number. So what will you do here? Very simple. That is 2 upon 1 or not? That is equal to 7 upon 3 into, you change the sign of division here into sign of multiplication. So what will happen? Now you see the divisor 2 upon 1, you take its reciprocal, that will be 1 upon 2, that is equal to 7 into 1 divided by 3 into 2, that is 7 upon 6. Okay, so like this, you can proceed. This is beta. Suppose B, 3 whole number and 1 upon 2 divided by 4. So what do you do here? Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 1, that is equal to 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 4. That is equal to 7 into 1 divided by 2 into 4, that is 7 upon 8. Like this, you will proceed. You will be proceeding. So what is BI? 4 whole number and 3 upon 7 divided by 7. So what do you do here? You see, 4 whole number and 3 upon 7. You convert this mixed fraction, this mixed numeral, you just convert it into an improper fraction. 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 3, that is 31. 31 upon 7 divided by 7 upon 1, that is equal to 31 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. That is equal to numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator, that is 31 upon 49. So like this you will proceed. Then you come to question number 4. Again we have to find the value. Here you see both the dividend and the divisor, both are fractions. So 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So how will you do it? It is very simple. 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 1, that is equal to numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator, that is 4 upon 5. Like this you will proceed. Then come to B2I. 3 whole number and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 whole number and 2 upon 3. So what do you do here? You see, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So you do like this. 3 5s are 15. So 15 plus 1, that is 16. So you place it in the place of numerator, 16 divided by 5. And 16 upon 5, you give the symbol of division. 1 3 is 3 plus 2, that is 5 upon 3. That is equal to 16 upon 5 into, because we change the sign of division here, so what will be the divisor here? That will be 3 upon 5. You just take the reciprocal of 5 upon 3. That is equal to numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. That is 16 3s are 48 upon 25. So B3I, 2 whole number and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 whole number and 1 upon 5. That is equal to, you see, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, that is 11 upon 5 divided by 1 5s are 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 5. That is equal to 11 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. That is equal to numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. because the numerator is 5, here the denominator is 5. Okay, so by 5 is the common divisor here. So here is 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, so that is equal to 11 upon 6. So like this, you will solve the problems of exercise 2.3. So in the next class we will study about what decimals are, and we will know a little bit about the decimals. Then we will do the exercise 2.4 in the next video. Okay. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, and we will be doing the mathematics like this. Okay. So wish you all the best. Have a nice day.